What's up, everyone? Guess what time it is? Parts time. That's right. Got some parts today. Thanks to FedEx and Amazon, of course. Let's go ahead and open them up. I'm gonna open up the first one, the smaller box. Now, if you guys follow the channel, you should guess what both of these are. You know what that is? If you don't know, I'll open it up and show you. This is my third brake light for the top of the truck. Pretty nice. I'm going to do a separate installation video on this, probably in the next couple of days. Now time for this big box. Woo! There it is. Still don't know? It's an air intake. There's the pipe for it. It's pretty nice. In the box, and the filter's in here. That's what I'll be installing today. I can't wait. I love the way air intakes makes vehicle sound, especially V8s. So I'm gonna install this one right now. Might be a little noisy because I got the kids outside playing. But hey, I got some time. I'm gonna do it. Alright, I got everything out that I need. It's all out of the package for the most part. Comes with all the hoses, gasket, the fittings, hardware, the shield, this piece, I don't know yet. This tube, the intake tube, nice red filter. Comes with all your clamps and this rubber strip. Now I gotta take out my old setup. Might be a little noisy, got the kids out here playing, so bear with me. Let's get to it. Loosen up both them clamps. Now I'm gonna unplug this. Push it down and pull it out. Now there's two hoses you have to disconnect. I'm not very good with fragile things. I'm not careful. Now that's just this bottom one. Finally, I got it. Let me get the light. I'm trying to hold all this with one hand and hold the GoPro. There's the light. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the clip. Now you have to get your screwdriver in there. I don't know how I'm going to do this. You have to get your screwdriver in there, right in here, in between these two, and then this will push right out. Watch, there you go. I smashed this a little bit, broke it. broke that. Whoops. But you're still going to use the same housing. So, because you're going to connect your bottom to this bottom. Anyway, you can plug it right back in. It's not too bad. I didn't hurt that end of the plug. I just broke a little chunk of that piece right there. I'm not too concerned. Alright, I'm back at it, getting the filter housing out where it holds the filter. There's two little nipples, I guess, that go into the slots. They just pull right out. Then also to take off this, it's a 10mm, two of them on each side, just to pull it out apart. I'm trying to assemble everything. This is the part that goes to the throttle body. It uses this rubber fitting. And then this one uses this adjustable one that's flexible. On this side, that's going to be the intake filter. I went ahead, put the bolts in the housing. I'm just kind of guessing on what goes where because it didn't come with instructions. And when I ordered it, I read the reviews. I knew it didn't come with instructions, but any half-witted person can half-ass an air intake together. Come on, let's be for real now. I'm also going to put in a description the link to where I got this from. I think it was like $69. Can't pass it up. I'd rather spend $69 for a little bit of performance you're going to pick up. I really like the sound. Versus $200-300 for a name brand one or a K&N or something like that. Who cares? To install it, don't forget to install the gasket on it. I'm gonna just put the bolts in it. I'm putting it together. It's all empty, got it all cleaned out. That heat shield doesn't really fit perfect, but it does mount to this hole. And I probably will be able to get another bolt or something in here. Use some of those washers or something. I don't really care as long as one bolt will hold it. Trying to get this piece out. Broke it, snapped it, the plastic piece. Hopefully it'll still work. It's just a pain in the ass trying to get that out of there. Like I said, I'm not good with fragile things. I'm pretty rough with shit, so whatever. Hopefully it'll still work. It should. And I'm gonna install this. They give you this rubber piece right here to install. I'm gonna just go ahead and slide it in here. Just like so. And then slide this piece right back in. Might be easier said than done. Use a little bit of saliva, lube it up. Gotta lick it before you stick it. Just like that. She's in. Pretty nice. And this tube, the finish on it is very nice. I'm very impressed with it. These welds are good. On the inside, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully that's better. They grind it all down. Sand it all down, whatever. Very good quality. As you can see in the filter difference. Size matters. And it's got this rubber guard just to help keep it sealed. It's a little extra long, but hey, whatever. It works. I probably could have made it come down to here. Alright, wait a minute. I lied. This doesn't go on the end of that. The end of this goes inside the filter, and this is going to connect to there where those 4 screw holes are to this from the other side. Just took me a second to figure it out. I'm like, wait a minute, something's not adding up here. So I went ahead and mounted this inside there. Now this is very nice. It has a lip on both sides, so it's pretty simple to install it and to tighten up these clamps. I got them all facing the same way, looking very good. I'm gonna go ahead and mount that box in right now. Okay, tightened up that one, used their hardware for it, and I'm gonna try to stick one in right here. did was, this rubber grommet piece, O-ring, seal thing, bushing, whatever, was slid over here. So what I did was, and that's probably a little too tight, what I did was I slid it over so that way I had more room on this bolt, and I put a big washer on both sides, that way it wasn't going anywhere. But now I got it so tight it's not really level down there. Alright, I had to use the old clamp from the old intake tube for this top one. The other ones didn't fit. I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit. I don't want it too tight because I'm still going to have to adjust it. And there's hoses for these, but they just give you a couple sizes. Don't really work that well. This hose fit on here nice and perfect. Now I can eventually come through and put clamps on those, but they'll be good for now. Now time to install this other end. Trying to install the air intake and cook at the same time. Multitasking. Okay, loosen up that bolt. Now I can move it over a little bit. Everything's hooked up. It's hooked up in there. I put in the 4 bolts, put in the gasket. This is the way it has to face, is this sensor on the outside, the mass airflow sensor. And then so the round part of the gasket would go like that. It's buttoned up. It's pretty close, but not touching anything. I had to replace this hose. Still not 100% on there perfect. This one was just old and nasty and dry rotted, and it popped off, so I might forget it. I put the new hose on there, and I did put these 2 hoses on here to move this box out a little bit, just because with the old hose it wasn't going to fit. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten everything up, plug this in, plug in the other one that's over here somewhere, right here, and then I'm going to fire up. Can't wait to hear. Just from idling, I don't hear nothing. No check engine lights. That's all good. Low fuel. I put $10 in. Still didn't even come up. What the heck? Hope it's not broken. The sending unit or something. Sounds pretty good to me. Alright, out here driving around a little bit. I'm not gonna get on it too crazy, but I'll do one with the window open, and I'll do one with the window closed. Close the window and do it again. I'm sure the wind noise with the window open is killing the video quality, sound quality I mean. But you can hear a difference. Not a lot, but you can hear a little bit of difference. And it does feel like it has a little bit more pickup down at the bottom end when you're first taking off, which it has always been a turd. The 4.6 trucks are a turd. Even a 5.4 is down low. But especially like mine, the 4.6 down low is a turd. It feels like it has a little bit more pickup though, with this intake on. Now, in order to get the full benefit from the intake, I definitely would need to get a tune done. Even any kind of tune, a can tune, or going somewhere to get it tuned, dyno tuned maybe. I'm not personally planning on it. I just want a little bit of the sound, and I got it, so I'm happy with it. That's how to install an air intake on your 2003 F-150, the 4.6 liter. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I like to see how many I can get. Until next time, peace.